look at this crazy ass sky. That's the back of the Ouroboros. The Ouroboros. That's China over there, and all of the heat, and probably that's all coal ash. That's a cloud, probably from burning coal for power to run air conditioners, and that's what's called global dimming. You cannot get anything more clear than that right there. Oh my God, man-made clouds from burning of coal so they can run their air conditioners in China. That is literally insane. I've never seen anything like that before. But that's pretty clear, right? Pretty damn